Hi there, my name is Gray and welcome to Gray's Gardening. So today's video is all about insulating my greenhouse behind me. It's a cut down version. There's a more detailed version of this which I made last year, which includes all the sizes and exactly the specifications of what you need, including the cutting of the bubble wrap and all that. This one, because I did all that last year, I am now just able to put that bubble wrap back up inside. It's all cut to shape already, cut to shape and size. So all I need is this and the clips to just hold it in place. If you do want to purchase any of this, the bubble wrap or the clips, the links to that are in the description below. They're my Amazon affiliate links, so buying anything from Amazon using that link, my channel just gets a few pennies in support, so thank you if you use that link. So first things first, I probably should have done this about 3 to 4 weeks ago before it got really cold. The UK was blanketed in snow, which would have protected my plants a little bit more inside, but they seem okay, so I'm doing it now. January, February, March in the UK is probably the coldest months anyway, so I really want to get this done. Shouldn't take me too long because I cut it all to size last year. If you want to see that video, hopefully it's on the screen somewhere now. If not, it will also be in the comments below if I haven't managed to do it. So let's get straight into it. If you do like this kind of comment, give me a thumbs up, leave me a comment, and also subscribe. Nearly at the big 1,000 subscribers, which is what we all aim for. But let's get going, let's get straight into it. Okay, so it's mostly cleared. I'm going to start at the far end, which is why I've moved all the plants out the way. They will be returning, and I actually like to use the plants to overlap the bottom of the bubble wrap just to hold it all in place. So let's just start with this corner first. Okay, so as mentioned, these pieces have already been cut to size, so I'm literally just going to pop them, find the middle, or find roughly about the middle, get some of my clips, and then just start clipping it in. I'm going to start on this section here, clip that in there, make sure I've got it even, clip that in there. I might need to just adjust it slightly, but once you get the first one in, it makes it much easier. So I'm just going to pop this in now. Really easy with these clips because they've got the shaped end. They just manage to go into the groove really well. So you literally just position it where you need it, twist, little pop of the bubble, and you're in. There we go, first one in, nice and easy, took about 1 minute. I've used 12 clips per sheet, but they will double up now for when the next piece goes in. As you probably noticed, I do have a grapevine inside my greenhouse, so it just takes a bit of maneuverability. I'm putting the grapevine behind the bubble wrap. Some people may want to put the bubble wrap behind it, but lots of mine is connected onto the structure, making it a bit more difficult. So I always just bubble wrap behind it. The grapevine is very hardy. It's in complete dormancy mode at the moment anyway, meaning that it's perfectly protected. My grapevine actually lives outside, or should I say is planted outside anyway. You possibly also noticed that my glass is a bit dirty because it hasn't been cleaned this year. I tend to clean my glass after I've taken the bubble wrap down. Otherwise, I find I'm doing it twice. But some people like to clean it beforehand just to let maximum light in. Again, any sunlight that can get into your greenhouse this time of year just again helps it to stay warm. So up to you. If dirty glass is something you can't live with, then give it a clean before you insulate your greenhouse, before you put the bubble wrap on. Otherwise, do it like me, do it once, do it afterwards, do it in March when you take it back down again. Okay, so we are complete. I'll take you inside, show you what it's looking like. Here we have it. So all the bubble wrap is now on. Go from the very bottom, these pieces right up and over the top. As I mentioned earlier, the actual clips themselves, you manage to double up, so it's this piece of bubble wrap with that one, and you can just double it up, cross it over, and it means you need less clips. Obviously, you're letting gravity do its thing, securing it at the tops, and if you've got some left over, you can do the bottom as well, just to keep it nice and tight. Along the back, I've done horizontal pieces because of the way these are positioned, and then just tucked it into the corners as best as I can. I can already feel the difference in temperature. We've gone up a couple of degrees, which is nice, but this is now all done for the next couple of months to make sure this greenhouse stays as bright and as warm as it possibly can. Right, thanks for watching everyone. Hopefully you found this really useful and helpful. If you have, please drop us a big thumbs up. Really helps the channel, helps YouTube with its algorithms just to circulate it around more people. I have finally after 2 years of making this channel, I have finally hit the magic 1,000 subscribers. So I think I'm going to do a little short video on my YouTube journey so far, what the 1,000 means, and where this goes to next. So massive thank you to everyone who's been following me so far. If you haven't subscribed already, if you want to see that video, please do subscribe now. Turn the notifications on so that you'll be first to see that video when it drops. But for now, hopefully this has been helpful, and I'll see you on the next one. Take care, everyone. Bye now.